A very good evening to all of you. This is Abhijeet here. I hope all of you are doing good. So, last week has been quite turbulent for Nifty. So, since morning, I was just thinking what to do or what to tell to all of you. So, just decided to let's have a sectorial view of all the indexes, at least on the weekly chart. So friends, on the screen you can see the weekly chart of Nifty, and I hope all of you can see the weekly chart here, the weekly candle of last week. This does not look good at all. If you see, the high of the candle stands at 26,373, which is of course the lifetime high for Nifty, and the low of that is at 25,623, which is roughly around you can say 750 points. So from the high we have fallen around 750 points, and the entire last week, all the 5 days, we saw red candles. You can see here, starting from Monday, we have seen red candles. Things were not looking good from the word go. We saw a breakout, we saw new lifetime high, but that did not sustain at all, which is definitely not a good news. We took a long call somewhere around this level. This was the level where we had taken a long call, and then we exited around this level 2603, around this level. So we held the longs for around 100 points, but then we saw a breakdown of this level, and then we decided that we will not be trying longs, and we'll just stay away. So as of now, the chart does not look good until and unless you see something very strong happening, some real strong buying happening. uh, I would not suggest any longs. In fact, if you ask me, I would suggest that keep trailing the stop loss in your profitable positions here. So, because the most important thing is, if you see, Nifty has closed at the lowest point of approximately, if you see, last 8 weeks, which is roughly 2 months. If you see, the last time we closed on real strength above this was here in October. So we are somewhere back to the levels of October. So October, November, December, and now we are in January. So this kind of red candle does not look good for the index. So until and unless we see some real positive buying, some motivated buying, whatever be the factor, be it global factor, be it internal factor, I don't know, I don't care about that. A technical analyst does not care about that. So if until and unless you see some motivated buying at this point of time, my suggestion is, even in good stocks, you need to keep trailing your stop loss. So we'll just have a quick review of the sectors here. I hope all of you are following our channel in Telegram. Those who are not following, you can look for Pinnacle in Telegram and follow us, because we provide daily updates there. So now coming to the first one, which has been the biggest mover in recent time, is Nifty PSU Bank. You can see the name here, and it's the daily chart. So we saw a big red candle here, and not only that, we saw a rejection candle here. So the daily charts not looking very good. I'm pretty sure we might be having some kind of divergence here. So I won't be surprised if we see some profit booking in PSU Bank. Let's have a look at the weekly chart. So weekly chart, and yes, we can see some divergence. I have just applied RSI and now you can see some divergence here. So definitely not looking good. Coming to Nifty IT, if you ask me honestly, this is the chart which is looking good right now to me. You might be surprised, but yeah, and I'm not talking about a short-term perspective. I'm talking about the longer-term perspective. This red candle, barring this red candle, until and unless we hold these levels, we are looking good in IT. Something is good. It can be anything. The fundamental factor change, even at some point of time, maybe even dollar rising and going beyond 90, it could be a good point for the ITs. So this one is looking good as of now. Metal, it has seen a huge run in last many weeks and months, and again, once again, you can see Friday we were back to square one, not very good, and we saw major profit booking on Thursday. So this was the one which took the maximum of the heat. So once again, if you are long in metal, my suggestion, keep trailing stop losses in the stocks in this. I'm not saying book profit. Of course, booking profit should be there. I've already asked many times that you should be booking profit. At least 40-50% of the profit that you are holding, you should book. Then we come to the mid-cap index. Mid-cap index was moving good, but once again, last 2 days, and we have come back to square one. Let's have a look at the weekly chart, and if we look at the weekly chart, we'll just see that once again we have closed at almost the lowest point of last 9 bars, which is like approximately 2 months. So again, this is also mid-cap index is also not good, although it has had a breakout, but how long the breakout sustains, we'll have to see. The Nifty Infra, the biggest beating which has taken the Nifty Infra Index, and if you understand this thing, this looks more like a double top to me. So you can see here a double top here. So I don't think that you should be holding long positions into this, especially again same funda, keep trailing your stop loss. If charts are good, see 11 bars, the lowest closing of last 11 bars, which is roughly 3 months. So once again, Nifty Infra also not looking that good. We need some real motivated buying before we can conclude that things are good. If you see recently of late, right, since February of 2025, we have not seen this kind of red candle. So this is a large red candle. So we need to be cautious, very, very cautious here. See, I cannot give you, this is not my opinion, frankly enough. This is what I am seeing on the charts. So these are not my opinion, and I just am reading what the charts are telling me. So I can be bullish today. If the charts tell me tomorrow that I have to be bearish, I will be bearish, or vice versa, that I can be bearish today, but on Monday I see bullish signals, I could be the first person to turn bullish. So coming to Nifty Media Index, Nifty Media Index is going some sort of a double bottom kind of thing here. It is finding support, but still the charts are not looking that good. If you see daily chart, we might just see some kind of a breakdown if this holds. So once again, nothing interesting here. Nifty Auto Index, 3 back-to-back red candles. So again, not good. See here, just a breakout, and now we are at the pullback level. So if this level holds, then well and good. Otherwise, we can see another correction. So we call this formation as 3 black crows. So it's not looking good even in Nifty Auto. Then Nifty we have already discussed. Then we have Nifty Pharma. Again, Nifty Pharma, I was the one who gave a bullish call on this. We saw this, but in last 2 days we saw a major pullback in this index. So two red candles, not again the breakout failure here, typical breakout failure. So this is again not looking good to me. So stay cautious here. Then coming to Bank Nifty, of course, it looked like a stronger index, but Friday it saw major selling, which is again not good. This was bigger than what the Nifty saw. So even this is not good. Nifty Financial Services, again typical. If I'll just show you something. At this point it was looking really good. It was looking for a breakout. It was looking for a good upside, a new high, Nifty Financial Services. But right now everything has changed. This is what 2 days can do to you. So always remember, friends, that there is a very important saying in the market that Rome was not built in a day, but Hiroshima and Nagasaki were destroyed in a day. So never underestimate what 1 or 2 days of move can do. So play with cautious. This is an important trend line in Nifty Financial Services. Till the time this holds, we are good to go. If this does not hold, my suggestion, trail stop losses in that and exit. Then we have Nifty Small Cap, was giving good recovery, but last 2 days absolute carnage here from 16,800 to 16,600, 4% down in 2 days. Again, not a good sign. Then Nifty FMCG already broken down. You can see the lines that we have drawn, and it has already broken down. Going down further, we may find some support here, but this is not good. So stay away from this also. So all I want to say is, friends, if you have money right now, don't be in a hurry to get into stocks. Keep your money safe in your bank. We will have the right time. That right time may be Monday, maybe Tuesday, maybe couple of weeks later, or maybe couple of months later. Nobody knows that. So till the time you have money, keep it safe. Don't be in a hurry to invest into the market or any stocks. Not only that, if you are having profitable positions, trail your stop losses in that. Make sure that you don't lose the profits that you are having. I hope all of you understand this thing. Then we come to Nifty Realty. Nifty Realty, once again, we were advocating a good bounce here, and definitely when it looked at this point of time, it was looking good. But last 3-4 days has changed everything, especially Thursday and Friday. We fell from absolute top back to where we had started, and I don't want to discourage anyone, but this looks like a head and shoulder to me. Clear shoulder here and another shoulder here, and I hope I don't need to show the head. So this is why, friends, understand it very, very clearly. If you have fresh money left with you, keep it. No matter no matter who is saying, as of now, don't invest anywhere. Just wait on the sideline. Let the market give you a strong signal. Remember, trading is not about buying low and selling high. Trading is about buying high and selling higher. So when index starts to form new high, we start to go above 26,000 once again, and things start to sustain, only then buy. Otherwise, abstain from any kind of buying. So this is it for today, friends. Understand, this is not to scare you at any cost. Understand this thing very, very clearly. This is to make you always understand one thing: never throw risk out of the window. And if you can see something on the chart, I'm just communicating what I'm seeing on the chart. I have zero opinion of my own. So friends, have a good night. Don't worry, don't panic, just relax. Things will be fine. We'll definitely see buying at some point of time. So just be cautious till that point of time. Don't be in a hurry to deploy your money. So bye bye, good night.